Hey everybody, Seth David here from the world famous Nerd Enterprises Incorporated, and I couldn't be more excited to bring you my newest course in bookkeeping. It's called the Business Owner's Bulletproof Bookkeeping Course, because this course will take you from compliance to bulletproof. What do I mean by compliance to bulletproof? Compliance is, well, it's just okay. Maybe I can get a tax return done with it. Bulletproof means I can run any financial report off that set of books and I can prove any number that's in there. This course is designed to get you from compliance to bulletproof. It's designed to show you not just how to put your books together, but how to keep the audit trail in place so that you can prove every single number that's on your set of books. And it's aimed at the business owner, so no accounting experience needed in order to go through this course. In fact, if you have no accounting experience at all, this is the perfect course for you to take. We're starting you off with the bank feeds. I thought about this and I said, this is what every business owner needs to start with, because if you're starting a brand new company and going into QuickBooks Online, or maybe you have an existing company, you just migrated to QuickBooks Online, or you have an existing company in QuickBooks Online, but you're completely lost as to where to start, bank feeds. That's where you start. That's why it's the first section in this course. Let me give you a quick tour and show you what's going on here. So when you go into my Kajabi site, which is where this is hosted, you'll go to my library, and that's where, of course, you'll find any of my courses that you've signed up for. And we'll go into the Business Owner's Bulletproof Bookkeeping course. And I'm just going to click here where it says Start Course. Below, initially, it gives you kind of an outline of what's been published so far. So the first lesson is on connecting your bank feeds. A lot of you are going to skip this. It just quickly shows you how to connect your bank accounts within QuickBooks Online. But I felt it was important to put this here. There might be people who have zero experience with this and don't necessarily already know what to do. Next, we're going to get into a deep dive on how to set up your rules, how to automate your bank feed using detailed rules. So, of course, we're going to show you how to create simple rules. Simple, here's the payee, here's the account it goes to. But we're also going to show you how to build complex rules using logic so that you can determine where things go based on different criteria. Really, really powerful stuff. The point is you should never have to code anything more than once. And if you do this, as I mentioned in the lesson itself, after the first month or two, because the first month or two you're going to be creating all these rules, so it takes a little more time, but you should get to a point where your bank feed process, if you do it once a week, should take no more than 5 to 15 minutes a week max. It should be pretty much automated, except for the outliers that come in that you've never dealt with before. And then we're going to show you how to organize and prioritize those rules. Once you create those rules in QuickBooks Online, the order of them matters. And if you're not careful, if you put one rule before another, that first rule could supersede that second rule from ever being sort of invoked, if you know what I mean. The bots in QBO kind of go through the rules very, very quickly to determine if any of them apply to the transaction that it's looking at. So it's important. We're going to show you how to export the rules, clean them up, prioritize them, and then get them back into QuickBooks Online. Then we're going to show you, for the situation where you where you can't access, you can't connect to the bank account. And there could be a number of reasons. I go over some of the top ones in this section. First, we show you how to directly import your bank feeds. In other words, how to grab a CSV file from your bank account and actually import it directly in, and then it's exactly as though you had downloaded it from the bank. And then the rest of this section goes through how to actually code it in Excel and import it directly into the register using a product called SASANT Excel Transactions. This section is going to give you a ton of simple but powerful Excel skills to boot, on top of teaching you how to do bookkeeping with QuickBooks Online. So really, really simple but powerful stuff. I encourage you, even if you're going to do the direct connection with the bank, to go through this stuff anyway. You're going to learn a ton, and it's going to be incredibly useful. Next section. Once this is all done, it's kind of the whole sharpening of the axe thing. Now you can get your bank account reconciled in less than 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you how in this lesson. And then we're going to do kind of a review and recap and show you, after you've updated the bank feeds and certainly after you've reconciled, some reports to go through, how to run them and what to do to review things, and just make certain that everything landed exactly where you'd like it to. Now, how much for all this wonderful stuff? And this is only the first section. It's a very, very detailed, robust course that I've written, and I'm going to keep rolling it out. My promise to you, for those of you who decide to sign up early, is that I will have content rolled out every single week, guaranteed. New content once the first person signs up for the course. So I've given you a coupon code, which enables you to take $500 off the price of the course. This is only going to be available while the course is in development. The minute I publish the last lesson, I am going to take this coupon code down. So sign up now. Get in. Get this dirt cheap, because I'm probably also going to increase the price of the course itself. The course itself, $997. The coupon code gets $500 off the price, so you're basically paying $500 for the course, and that's lifetime access, right? That's not a subscription. It's not monthly. It's not yearly. It's you pay one time and you have access to the course for life. I'm also probably going to create a private Facebook group so that you can provide me with feedback. We can have discussions. I can follow up with you on any questions you have. And I've left space in the outline for appendices, so if it warrants it, I can easily add more videos and more content to this, especially if based on your feedback, I find that it's warranted, like I said. So from within the checkout page, you can click on this link that says view the full course outline here. That'll take you to a view-only version of this, and each of these sections can be expanded to see the details on what I'm covering. This is color-coded because this one has been completely published. That, my friends, is my exciting news, my Bulletproof Bookkeeping course for business owners. I hope to see you in the course. I'll hope to see you in the private Facebook group, and I'm sure I will see you either way around the web.